Hi everyone, Yap here. So welcome to the lesson 2 for CloudFormation. And then today we are going to um, create another resource, which is security group. Alright, so basically it's just a little bit complex than the lesson 1, right? So as the same from the lesson 1, we create the instance, right? So if you notice, we have this security group properties here, right? So basically this one I don't need to explain again. For the security group, you can see I use the reference function, right? So actually this is you can type like this as well, function reference, right? So this short form, right? So uh, before that we need to create a security group logical ID first, right? So this is the security group. Yep, security group resource. Type, we will choose security group, and then property. Okay, so this is the security group name. I will name it SSH and HTTP security group because we opening the port 80, which is for the HTTP, and the port 22 for the SSH, right? So I believe you are familiar with the security group. What is it for? It's actually a virtual firewall for the EC2 instance. So if you are not sure, you can watch back my previous video, right? On the lab, I will explain a bit about the security group, right? So we have the inbound protocol, okay, TCP from port 22 to port 22. We allow for all traffic. So this is a demo version. We just allow for all traffic, and same with the HTTP port 80, right? So let's go and create this, run this in the CloudFormation. So so previously created one, and already completed delete the lab 1A, right? So we create the stack, upload, choose file, this one, next. So lab 2A, okay. So click next, submit. Alright, so let's see. So first, so this actually CloudFormation is a declarative way of CloudFormation is a declarative way to actually provision your infrastructure resource, right? Which means it don't care how you put the sequence on how you code, right? So they will have their own algorithm, which means before you create your EC2, you will create the security group first. So even though security group I put at the bottom here, he will create it, the CloudFormation will create it first. After that, only it will create the EC2 instance, as you can see from here, right? It will create the security group. After success, it will only create the EC2 instance, right? So it's create completed. Let's go and see. Refresh. So instance with security group, so we can see running. So let's check the security group. So you can see it's using the security group. Oh, sorry. I need to click this. So you can see it's using a security group SSH and HTTP security group, which I specify the security group name, right? So let's check the description of the security group, whether it's created or not. So go to security group. Okay, description port 80 and 22. So you allow the inbound for the HTTP and SSH. So this one I will be using for my future lab lah, because I'm going to test some output from the instance, right? So that's it. You successfully create an EC2 and security group resource. So in the end, don't forget to delete your stack, right? Right. So if when you do deletion, you will reverse the method. You will delete the instance first. Only after that, only they will delete the security group, right? So that's it for today. Hope you like my video. If you want to support me, you can subscribe and like my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.